Hello guys, welcome back to my famous YouTube channel to watch more videos on machine learning. As we have gone through many videos on seabornn library using Python, which is very popular library. We have seen introduction to seabornn library. Then we have seen our latest video was Python with types of graph. In that we have seen seabornn library. Today's video is really interesting and innovative. So let us go through the Python file. All these parts are importing the required libraries needed for the program, then reading the CSV file with read underscore CSV function in pandas PD, then df.head return the rows of data frame, then unique emotion, anger, disgust, fear, happiness, what 6 we are taken, then df.emotion values count, how many emotions are there, that count, then seabornn function count plot df emotion graph, then py plot show the graph. Now I will execute the program. It will take some time because you might be knowing here it will take some time because lot of emotions files are there, images are there. We will see. Yes, here 35,887 images are there and up to 3, that is data frame and this part. Number of rows 3 are the count and this thing. Wait for some time, since a lot of images are there, it will take some time, and when it will be execute you will see the seabornn graph, which is very different from pandas and matplotlib. We have seen many graph on matplotlib using machine learning. We have seen pandas using Excel and this part. Yes, seabornn graph has been displayed with count, yes, and number of emotions are there, and here are the number of this thing, 3 part are there. So I successfully done with reading CSV file using seabornn library. We detected facial emotion recognition using seabornn library. Up till now we have seen using matplotlib library. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.